Hey everybody, it's Cassie Monique. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make bone broth. So, I hope you like it. So, I'm going to do it in my Instant Pot here. My beloved Instant Pot. Excuse all the bruises and dents you see all over it because this is pretty old. But anyway, so there's really no right or wrong way to do this. All you have to do is make sure you have some bones. Make sure they're good quality bones. It doesn't really matter what kind of bones you use. It's just whatever you prefer. Make sure it's from good quality grass-fed meat. What I have here is, these are chicken bones, chicken carcasses. I think there's like 2 of those in here. And then I have the bones from chicken thighs because I cut out the bones and, you know, flatten them out and stuff like that, and I usually cook them like that. And then I have some onions that I chopped up and froze. And then I have some celery sticks that I'm going to throw in there. They're about to start going bad, so I need to hurry up and use those. And then I have some carrots. And then I have some water here, some filtered water, and then I like to put seasonings in mine because I like to sip on mine. Forgot my knife. Now you may ask, Cassie, why can't I just go to the store and buy some bone broth? And the answer to that is you can, but you're going to get all of the additives that they put in there, especially MSG. And you really don't want that in your food. I mean, I guess if you want something quick, it's fine, but it's really not that much to make your own. It'll be healthier for you and you'll feel better about yourself. And remember, there are over 50 different names for MSG. I saw this amazing video on it. The lady taught you how to, she's a scientist, and she taught how to read labels and stuff like that and look for MSG. So I try not to use the boxed broths anymore. I either use a veggie stock seasoning that I make with the seasoning blend and it works great, or I use this. So here's my bones. They're frozen. I'm just gonna dump them in there. I want to make this as quick as possible. And then I'm gonna just dump this brick of onions in there. Let's move that out of the way. And then I'm going to dump the carrots. And like I said, you can put whatever vegetables you prefer in here. Well, not this piece. Some people prefer to put like lemon juice and apple cider vinegar in it. I tried that once and I didn't like the flavor of it, so I prefer to make it without it. But if you like it, by all means do that. Again, make sure you use good quality vegetables and bones. Because you want this to be super, super healthy. I have quite a bit in here. So I have my filtered water here. And I'm just gonna, oh, Cassie, don't make a mess. Just gonna pour that in there slowly. Got a little bit on me, but that's okay. That's what happens when you get in the kitchen and you do some cooking. It's fun. I think I've got enough in there. Put that in the sink. And then I'm just gonna add some seasoning because I like flavor. Like I said, I'm gonna sip on this. This is just a seasoning blend that I made up. Just gonna dump that in there. It's not salty. So I'm gonna dump a little pepper. Gonna do a little sea salt. And I always salt it up more to my liking. Okay, so I'm going to let this run. I'm gonna let this run for 3 times. I'm gonna put this on manual. This is an old school Instant Pot. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles like high pressure, low pressure, and stuff like that. Okay, this goes to 120, and I have it in the sealing position, and it's ready to go. And I'm going to come back and show you when it's done. Okay guys, so this is ready. I pressured this 3 times for the max that this will go up to for 120 minutes. So now I'm going to strain this. I don't think this pot's going to be big enough, but it's going to have to do. And this was kept on warm, so it's not hot. Let's just hope I don't make a mess here. Lord have mercy. Let's see what we got here. So now I'm going to take my mason jars and I am going to fill them up. Excuse if I make a mess, because I am messy with this stuff. So now I'm going to put these in the fridge